A convenient way to get a free copy of any of our Google Forms is to download a copy of our document on Google Forms and Slides. Before you open our document, please log into your Google Drive. This is where you'll find your personal documents. This example account has no files in it right now. Next, open our document and go to the page with links to our shared Google folders containing Google Forms. When you follow that link, your browser will open a second tab showing our shared folder containing our Google Forms. If you find one or more that you want to copy, click the right mouse button and choose Make a Copy from the shortcut menu. After a few seconds, you'll see a message saying a copy was created, albeit the name now starts with the words Copy of. When you switch back to the tab showing your personal Google Drive, you'll see a copy of this form. Since this is now your personal copy, you can change the form's name if you wish. When you double-click on the form, you'll then be able to view and modify it as you wish. Each form contains the corresponding free access video, which students may click on to enlarge. Because this is your personal copy, you can edit the wording on the questions, and you can also modify the wording on the explanations. We suggest that you avoid shuffling the questions since each question number has a corresponding timestamp in the video's description, which contains the answer to that question. You may adjust the settings that control what students will see. We suggest that you leave the top option enabled. That way, students will see the correct answers and explanations after they submit the quiz, and that immediate feedback may help them learn from their mistakes while the material is still fresh. You can then assign this to your students in a way your school recommends. For example, you could assign it directly via email. You can view the results from your students in a way that your school recommends. If you use a learning management system, then you may be able to have the results go into gradebooks automatically. Alternatively, you have the option to save the results as a spreadsheet. Thanks for your attention.